Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's check out how to set up multiple business entities in Bluevine. If you operate more than one business, Bluevine allows you to manage each entity separately, keeping finances clean and organized. Here's how to set it up. First step is to log into your Bluevine dashboard on the web or mobile app. Then navigate to the account settings or business profile section. There, select add new business entity. Now enter the required details such as your business name, EIN, industry, and address. Upload any requested verification documents such as incorporation certificate, tax ID confirmation. Then wait for Bluevine to review and approve the new entity. Processing time may vary depending on documentation. Once approved, you're going to be able to toggle between entities directly within your Bluevine account, keeping transactions and records separate. This feature ensures that you can scale and operate multiple businesses efficiently without needing multiple banks. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.